Bratislava, the charming capital city of Slovakia, offers a dynamic blend of history, culture, and modern vibrancy that invites visitors to explore its picturesque streets, iconic landmarks, and diverse experiences. Nestled along the banks of the Danube River and bordered by Austria and Hungary, Bratislava's strategic location contributes to its rich heritage and international influences. The city's historical center is a treasure trove of architectural marvels. The Bratislava Castle, perched on a hill overlooking the city, boasts panoramic views and traces its history back to the 9th century. The Gothic St. Martin's Cathedral, crowned with a distinctive spire, is a testament to the city's religious significance. The charming main square, lined with pastel-colored townhouses, exudes a medieval ambience, while Michael's Gate and the remaining city walls provide glimpses into Bratislava's historical fortifications. Modernity meets tradition in Bratislava, as evidenced by the UFO observation deck, a futuristic structure atop the SNP Bridge, offering unparalleled vistas of the cityscape and beyond. The Danube River, which winds through the heart of Bratislava, provides opportunities for boat cruises and leisurely walks along its banks. The city's cultural scene thrives with museums, galleries, and theaters. The Slovak National Gallery showcases Slovak and European art, while the Museum of Jewish Culture sheds light on the city's Jewish history. The Slovak National Theatre hosts opera, ballet, and drama performances that celebrate the arts in all their forms. Exploring Bratislava's neighborhoods offers a diverse range of experiences. The charming district of Old Town is dotted with cafes, boutiques, and art studios, creating an inviting atmosphere for leisurely strolls and people-watching. The modern Eurovia shopping complex and the lively Obchodna Street offer shopping and entertainment options for all tastes. Bratislava's culinary scene is a delight for food enthusiasts. From traditional Slovak dishes to international flavors, the city's restaurants and eateries cater to a wide range of palates. Sampling local specialties like brinzov haluski, dumplings with sheep cheese, and Slovak wines is a must for an authentic experience. The city's festivals and events add to its vibrant ambience. The Bratislava Music Festival, showcasing classical music performances, and the Bratislava International Film Festival, celebrating cinematic arts, draw visitors and artists from around the world. Whether you're wandering through historic streets, exploring grand castles, enjoying modern attractions, indulging in culinary delights, experiencing cultural performances, or simply soaking in the city's unique charm, a visit to Bratislava promises an unforgettable and immersive experience that captures the essence of Slovakia's history, culture, and modern spirit, leaving a lasting impression on all who venture into its captivating embrace.